once upon a time there used to be a company which tend to make great stuff for less money. Nowadays it has changed, and this is tribute to this company. So obviously this is the statue or miniature of the new Apple Pro Stand. This item is really strange because it's just a piece of aluminum which is supposed to hold your monitor. These two parts here are supposed to move and allow you to rotate the monitor and adjust the height a little bit. So this company used to make great stuff for the less money, then it changed to the great stuff for the bigger money, and now it's like, I don't know what it is for the even bigger money. And here we are in the point where you are buying the brand new monitor and you have to buy a separate stand for it for $999, and all this item does is a regular stand for your monitor. By the way, the monitor isn't cheap and it comes without the stand, so you have to buy one separately. This is also strange. You buy a monitor and you have no stand, so it is rather obvious that you need a stand for the monitor, but whatever. I think what the Apple is missing on their Pro stands in the 1:1 size is this feature. Every Pro stand should have those $999 engraved on the bottom, or even better at the back, so everybody can see how much money did you spend on an item which should go, free with the monitor you bought. By the way, for $999 you can do a lot of good things to the world. It is okay if you want to buy a stand for $999. Perfectly fine. But maybe consider doing something better with those money. So let me know what you can do with those kind of money to improve the world. Write your comments below.